Okay, good morning students. So already we had started a lesson which is called Letter to a Friend. It is from Unit 1 CDD. It is Unit 1 CD. So here two characters are very important. Who are those? First one is Ramesh. Second one Suresh. So, who was living in Hyderabad? Ramesh is living Hyderabad. Okay. So, who had written a letter or who is writing a letter? Ramesh is writing a letter to Suresh. Okay. So, now see already first passage we have completed in the last class. Now see the second passage. Okay. Take your textbook. Open page number 15, all of you. Page number 15. Okay. Now I am working in Microsoft, a software company, Hyderabad, as a computer programmer. So here Suresh is working at Microsoft, a software company, Hyderabad. Means who is he? Suresh, he was an software engineer. Suresh, he was a software engineer. He was a software engineer and a company which is situated in the Hyderabad. So especially as a computer programmer. Okay. Suresh, he was a software employee. That's keep in your mind. Next, I am married and we have a child. My wife works at Dell. So here Suresh got married and he has a child. Who has a child? Suresh. Suresh has a child. And who is he? What is he? He was a Microsoft employee. Means he was a software engineer. Next, my wife works at Dell. Dell means it is also a company. It is also a company. So my wife works at Dell, Hyderabad as a system. Okay, my wife works at Dell, Hyderabad as a system analyst. So she also works in Hyderabad, especially in the Dell company. And what is her designation? She was a system analyst. She was a system analyst. So what about Ramesh? Ramesh, he was a computer programmer. He was a computer programmer and his wife is a system analyst. Okay. So what is the company of the Ramesh? Microsoft. What is Ramesh wife's company? Dell. Okay. Both are in the Hyderabad. Means both are means here both companies, two companies. One is Dell company, another one Microsoft company. So that's why they settled there in Hyderabad. Okay. Next, city life is quite busy. City life is very busy than village life. Okay. Because population is very high in the cities. That's why all the people they were doing jobs and they were very busy. City life is quite busy. We start in the morning, leave our child at the baby care center and come back in the evening with faded faces. Faded means what? Faded means it is a adjective. Faded, it is a adjective which means less bright. Less bright. Bright you know already. Bright. Okay. Less bright means little bit of bright. Okay. So here see. We start in the morning. We means who here? Ramesh and his wife. both were the employees, and especially both were the software employees, okay, software engineers. So we started in the morning, leave our child at a baby care center. Baby care center means a center which is caring the babies for the స్పెషల్ ప్రైస్, అంటే కొంచెం అమౌంట్ తీసుకొని వాళ్ళ దగ్గరే చూసుకుంటూ ఉంటారు అనుకో, ఫ్రమ్ మార్నింగ్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్ టు ఈవినింగ్, ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్. సో లీవ్ వీ స్టార్ట్ ఇన్ ద మార్నింగ్, లీవ్ అవర్ చైల్డ్ ఎట్ బేబీ కేర్ సెంటర్ అండ్ come back in the evening with faded faces. Faded means less bright, means dull. From morning to evening they were busy with their work, that's why they may tired. So during that time, in the evening time, their faces looks like faded faces, means less bright. అలసిపోయి ఉంటారు కదా, ఫేస్లు ఎలా ఉంటాయి, అంత బ్రైట్గా ఉండదు, లెస్ బ్రైట్గా ఉంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్, we hardly find time to sit together. Hardly means almost not. Hardly means almost not. Almost no. అంటే అసలు టైం ఏమి ఉండదు అని. Then why we hardly find time to sit together? So both wife and husband, very rare time they used to sit and talking with each other because of their duty. In the early morning they ready to go to jobs from morning to evening. Afterwards they may tired, that's why they can't talk each other. Very rarely they use to talk. ఇప్పుడున్న కూర్చొని మాట్లాడుకుంటారు, మిగతా టైం అంతా very busy. Next, we hardly find time to sit together. How disgusting. Disgusting means it is adjective. Disgusting, D-I-S-G-U-S-T-I-N-G. Disgusting, it is also adjective. Which means extremely unpleasant. Okay, disgusting means extremely unpleasant. Tell me, extremely unpleasant. Faded means less bright. What is faded? Adjective. Faded is a adjective. What is disgusting? This adjective. Right. So we hardly find time to sit together. How disgusting. ఎంతో బాధగా ఉంది అలా చెప్పాలంటే అని చెప్పినారు. భార్య భర్తలు కూర్చొని మాట్లాడుకోవడానికి టైం ఉండట్లా. they were busy with their jobs. Okay, next. We work with computers because they both were the software employees. So software employees always busy with the computers. So we work with computers. Think like computers and live like computers. Think like computers and live like computers. We have forgotten our family. So they used to spend with computers. That's why how they were thinking like computers. And how they are living like computers. అంటే ఇంకా కంప్యూటర్లతో ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి కంప్యూటర్ లాగా ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు, కంప్యూటర్ లాగే జీవిస్తున్నారు. ఓకేనా? So how the computers are working? If we switch on, then only they work. Otherwise it cannot work. So same here, these two also they are simply living like computers because they are spending almost lot of time with the computers. So that's why they are thinking like computers and living like computers. So what happened? We have forgotten our family. సో సింప్లీ దే ఫర్గాటెన్ దేర్ ఫ్యామిలీ, కుటుంబం గురించి పట్టించుకోవడం మర్చిపోయారు. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఈస్, సో టెల్ మీ, సో హూ ఈస్ రైటింగ్ ద లెటర్? Ramesh. So to whom he write? Suresh. Okay. Next, where did the Ramesh live? Hyderabad. What about the Ramesh family, both wife and husband? He was a software employee and his wife also software employee. So did they have to time talking with each other? No, because they were spending almost with the computer, means they are busy with their job. Okay, so that's why they have forgotten their family. Understand? Now see the third passage. See, I remember how we played. So here means second passage, Ramesh explained about his family, his life in the Hyderabad. Okay, next come to third passage. I remember we played gilli danda, hide and seek, and kabaddi. We went for swimming in our local tank every Sunday. Here we live in an apartment where there is no room to play. Our flat is our world, just like a well for a frog. The world remains unheeded. So again see here, I remember how we played. So here Ramesh explained about their memory between Ramesh and Suresh. What he remembered? He remembered how we played gilli danda. Gilli means Telugu karra billa. Gilli. Danda means karra. See there. Gilli, Gilli, and danda, danda. Gilli danda. It is one of the game in Telugu. Karra. Danda means karra. Okay. Gilli means billa. See the textbook. The word it itself was mentioned in the textbook. Okay. Gilli danda. So Ramesh remembered how they played. What is that game? Gilli danda. Danda means karra. Gilli means billa, means karra billa. And what is next game? Hide and seek. And what is the next? Kabaddi. So total 3 games Ramesh mentioned in his letter, and he remembered when they were playing during their childhood. Okay. So next, we went for swimming in our local tank every Sunday. So every Sunday they used to swim their local tank. Okay, village lo unnappudu Sunday tank kelli swimming chesevaru. Next, here we live in an apartment where there is no room to play. So now they are living in apartment. Ramesh, where is he living? In Hyderabad. Okay, in Hyderabad. That's why now they are living in the apartment. ముందు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు? విలేజ్ లో ఉండేవాళ్ళు. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు? హైదరాబాద్ లో apartments. They are living in the apartments. That's why what happened? There is no room to play. Room means here empty space. Room means empty space. Empty place. అంటే ఇక్కడ మేము అపార్ట్మెంట్ లో ఉంటున్నాం, ఖాళీ స్థలమే లేదు ఆడుకోవటానికి అని చెప్తున్నారు. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్, our flat is our world. Means in apartments only we have double bedrooms or single or triple bedrooms. That is only their world. Ramesh mentioned. మాకున్న మా ఏంటది ఫ్లాట్, ఆ ఇల్లే ఇంకా ప్రపంచం అన్నమాట. బయటికి వెళ్ళి ఆడుకోవడానికి స్పేస్ లేదు అని చెప్తున్నాను. వి జస్ట్ లైక్ ఏ వెల్ ఫర్ ఏ ఫ్రాక్. అంటే మా బ్రతికి ఎలా ఉందని చెప్తున్నాడు, బావిలో ఉన్న కప్పలా ఉంది అని చెప్తున్నాడు. వి జస్ట్ లైక్ ఏ వెల్ ఫర్ ఏ ఫ్రాక్, ద వరల్డ్ రిమైన్స్ అన్హీడెడ్. ఇంకా మిగతా ప్రపంచం ఏం తెలియదు, చూడలేము, వినలేము. అంతా మార్నింగ్ టు ఈవినింగ్ జాబ్ చేస్తారు, ఈవినింగ్ వచ్చి ఇంకా ఇంట్లో ఉంటారు. దట్ ఈస్ ఓకే. రిమైనింగ్ క్లాస్ వీ విల్ సీ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.